Okay, in this video what we're going to do is show you how to remove a portion of the floor for the stairs that we have created in your Keystone library project. So if you look, I've created a fire escape stairwell right here. It's at least 4 feet wide per code, and it's enclosed by a fire rated partition wall. We'll put the door in later. So what I'm going to do is, if I look at this in 3D, you could see it goes up to the second floor, except we have one small problem here. The floor is in the way, and obviously we can't walk through that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to level 2, and let's actually go back to 3D mode. This is a little easier this way. And let's go into the architecture tab, and let's go over to vertical opening. And this creates an opening through a floor or a roof. And you just click on the floor you created, and now I like to hit escape and go to my top view by just clicking on the view cube. And you could see the edge of our stairs coming up right here. So I'm going to just take the rectangle command, and I'm going to use the Endpoint Snap, and I'm going to go all the way over to right here. And now I could kind of see that I've made a mistake, and I can't use that because I'm going to have this weird corner, so we're going to have to do this a different way. So let's go to the line command, and let's go all the way across. And now I could go down to here and trace this out to my walls. We'll see how I did. But it's got to be a completely enclosed shape, which it is. I get the green check, and there are my stairs coming up. Now, a couple problems we have right here. One, we have this beam, not the K-truss, the beam going through our stairs, which you obviously bang your head in now. This isn't really realistic to delete this, but they could move this beam over to the edge of this floor and reframe this out. So for the sake of making this easy, we're going to delete this beam. Now if it's a main support beam like these ones on the second floor, you can't remove those, but these middle ones we'll deal with. So let's unpin it, hit delete. So now it comes up. The other issue I have when I look at this, if I come around here to the top, is we have no railing right here. So on this other side, little Billy could walk right across here and fall down to the stairs to his untimely death. So let's go to level 2. And what we're going to do is just put a simple railing on. So I'm going to do railing. Alright, I have this glass panel bottom fill-in, so I'm going to keep the style going, and it's just a line. I'm just going to go, there's my railing right here, my existing one, so I'm just going to go a line, and I'm going to make sure I go all the way to my wall. Green check. Let's look at that 3D now. Alright, so it looks a little better. You can see I have a railing right there to prevent someone from falling down. So you're gonna have to do this whatever way you made your stairs to remove the floor. You're gonna have those issues with those beams to deal with, and you just have to be careful. The beams that are on these dash lines right here, you cannot remove. Those are our main support girder beams that are going across here. But the ones that are going this way, yeah, it's not completely realistic, but we're going to allow you to unpin those and remove those for the sake of this project. So for the 2 staircases that you have created, take your floors out in the areas that you need to, and then you can also add in your railings to them as well.